My name is Naomi Marr. I am a demand and ABM specialist on the B2B team, and I'm a principal analyst covering a broad array of topics, anything from team organizational design to change management to revenue process transformation and RDRs. I've worked in IT security, healthcare. I've worked in, basically the tech and software space for many, many years. I worked for a company that did software for movies and albums, and I've even at one point worked for Tufts University. So started in direct mail and then actually took a job as a database analyst, which there weren't a lot of them back when I first started, but took a job as a database analyst, and the day I started, they actually moved my role to sales, but left me in marketing, so I had no job. So at that point, my leader said, go out and learn HTML, so I became a web developer. I was a web developer for probably 15 years, managing global web teams. So at that point, I actually moved from IT into marketing, and really started to focus on mixing my marketing background with my tech background. So things like marketing operations, events, I'm trying to think even now, campaigns on design, it's still website and webinars and all of those kinds of things, but really kind of blending the tech and the marketing background. I started as a client back in probably 2015. When I was at an IT healthcare security company, loved working with the Forrester team. Actually ended up winning an ROI, or a return on investment award. So when I looked at the role and saw the role, it just made logical sense. I think because of being tech, then moving into practitioner marketing, then moving into marketing tech, and now over to analyst, I think that I can talk the full, what we call like end-to-end lead flow, tech stack. I can talk databases, but at the same time, I can talk the challenges with tracking programs and understanding influence and all of those kinds of things. I really kind of had to learn my way into it because it's a totally different experience, but the experience that I really was interested in was of actually really being able to work with clients, and as you mentioned, kind of coming at it from the other side of being able to bring together diverse ideas from a whole host of clients to help the one client that I'm speaking to solve problems. Absolutely working with clients. So it's a little bit of a consultative role. It's a little bit of let me just walk beside you and help figure out what you need. A lot of times we end up being an objective third-party voice. Like, I can't get my boss to listen to me. I can't get my executive team to listen to me. Can you help us deliver the message? Absolutely working with the clients. If I can help clients solve problems, I've had a good day. So a lot of times inside their organizations, clients are working in a siloed fashion. They don't have that good rapport between the teams. So oftentimes, because as an analyst, we can meet with different people in an organization, we hear people saying, this is their goal and strategy, and this is their goal and strategy, and they're in direct conflict. Or you have a really good partner in crime there, and you didn't know it. So we try and connect to the internal dots for them, which is a really big differentiator for us.